Hello students, welcome to Sri Medha. In this video, we are going to discuss on CA Foundation May 2026 Paper 3 Statistics and Logical Reasoning Question Papers with Solutions. Before going to explanation, sir paper ela undi when comparison with previous question papers. This attempt statistics and logical reasoning very easy and they given direct questions. సార్ మరి స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ 40 బిట్స్లో ఎన్ని థియరీ బిట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు? దే గివెన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 40 28 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, 12 థియరీ బిట్స్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. దట్ మీన్స్ 70% ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ పార్ట్, 30% థియరీ పార్ట్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. అది ఈచ్ చాప్టర్ వెయిటేజెస్ కనుక తీసుకుంటే మనకి స్టాటిస్టిక్స్లో మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంట్రల్ టెండెన్సీ అనే చాప్టర్ నుంచి 7 బిట్స్ అడగటం జరిగింది. మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంట్రల్ టెండెన్సీస్ దే గివెన్ 7 బిట్స్. మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంట్రల్ టెండెన్సీ నుంచి 7 బిట్స్ అడిగాడండి. మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ డిస్పర్షన్ 3, కొరిలేషన్ 2, రిగ్రెషన్ 3, index numbers 5, statistical description of data 5, random variables 1, theoretical probability distributions 5 and sampling 4. except probability కనుక మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయకపోతే స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ నుంచి 35 బిట్స్ అడగటం జరిగింది, ప్రాబబిలిటీ నుంచి 5 బిట్స్ అడగటం జరిగింది, టోటల్ 40 బిట్స్ అడగటం జరిగిందండి. రైట్, సో నౌ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ వన్ బై వన్ అండి. In that, in measures of central tendency, the first one is the mean of 10 observations. The mean of 10 observations is 15. If one observation is 12 is replaced by 22, what will be the new mean value? New mean means corrected mean value. So here what is the given data? The given one is n. N means number of observations, that is 10. Arithmetic mean x bar, that is 15. If one observation 12 is replaced by 22, so here 22 is correct observation. Correct observation is 22 and wrong observation is 12. And the formula for new mean or corrected mean, the formula for corrected mean or new mean is x bar c is equal to x bar plus correct observation minus wrong observation divided by n. That is the formula for corrected arithmetic mean. So here x bar is given 15, correct observation is 22, wrong observation is 12, number of observations is 10. So 22 minus 12, 10, 10 by 10 is 1, 1 plus 15, that is 16. So the new mean value or corrected mean value is 16. So correct option is A. Next, bit number 2. This one is based on properties of arithmetic mean. Which of the following is a property of arithmetic mean? They given 4 points. Sum of deviations from arithmetic mean is always positive. This is wrong. Arithmetic mean is not affected by extreme values. This is also wrong statement. The arithmetic mean is not affected by extreme values kadandi. Arithmetic mean is greatest affected by extreme values. That is correct one, but they given not affected. That's why that is wrong statement. And option C is sum of deviations from arithmetic mean is always 0. This is the one of the important property of arithmetic mean. In terms of notations lo chepte summation of x minus x bar is equal to 0. The sum of deviation of observations from its arithmetic mean is always 0. And option D, arithmetic mean cannot be calculated for grouped data. This is also false statement. Among these 4 points, the property of arithmetic mean is option C, that is summation x minus x bar is equal to 0. That's why option C is correct. Next, bit number 3. Bit number 3. So bit number 3 regarding combined harmonic mean. Combined harmonic mean. In the groups of students have harmonic means of 50 and 30 for their test scores, with 10 students in first group, 15 students in second group. What will be the combined harmonic mean of the two groups? అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మనం కంబైన్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలండి. కంబైన్డ్ హెచ్ఎం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కంబైన్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్, ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కంబైన్డ్ హెచ్ఎం, combined harmonic mean is equal to n1 plus n2 divided by n1 by h1 plus n2 by h2. This is the formula for combined harmonic mean for two groups. Here n1 is 10 and n2 is 15 divided by n1 by h1, that means 10 by 50 plus 15 by 30. If you simplify this one, దీన్ని మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి కంబైన్డ్ హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ 10 by 50, 10 divided by 50 m plus 15 divided by 30 m plus mrc, 25 divided by mrc is equal to, that is 35.71. So for this problem the combined harmonic mean is 35.71. Then option B is correct. The next one, fourth one, is a relationship between AM, GM and HM. Sir, what is the relationship between AM, GM, HM, sir? Relation is GM square is equal to AM into HM. Here AM is given 45 and HM is not given directly, but they given arithmetic mean of two positive numbers exceeds their harmonic mean by 30. Arithmetic mean 40 and harmonic mean is arithmetic mean is exceeds by harmonic mean, that 30 means harmonic mean is 15. Now harmonic mean value 15 తీసుకుంటే హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ 15 కన్నా అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ 30 ఎక్సిడ్స్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాడు. అంటే 15 ప్లస్ 30, దట్ ఈస్ 45, దట్ ఈస్ అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్. సో 45 ఇంటూ 15 అండర్ రూట్ 45 ఇంటూ 15, దట్ ఈస్ 675. Then GM is equal to root over 675. That root over 675 value is some 25.98. But 25.98 exact number is not there. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆప్షన్స్ ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే that is 15 root 3. The value of 15 root 3 is 25.98. That's why option D is correct. The next one, fifth one, they given one frequency distribution, arithmetic mean of the frequency distribution. The given discrete series data, for discrete series arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. First you calculate a summation fx by using calculator. Calculator తో summation fx find out చేయాలి. So 5 plus 18 plus 36 plus 68 plus 70 plus 60 plus 42, that is 299, divided by sum of frequencies. 73. Then arithmetic mean is 4.10. then option C is correct. Next one, sixth one, the mean of 5 observations is 28. Among the 5 observations, 3 observations are 10, 23 and 62. The difference between the remaining 2 observations is 13. Then what are the remaining 2 observations? So here given 5 observations, 5 observations, out of 5 observations 3 observations are given. So 10 plus 23 plus 62 plus the remaining 2 observations ni xy అని తీసుకుంటే sum of observations divided by number of observations is equal to arithmetic mean, that is 28. If you simplify this one, 28 into 5, that is 140. 140 is equal to 72 plus 23. Its value is 95 plus x plus y. Then x plus y is equal to minus 140, that is 45. We assume that this is first equation. X plus y is 45. The difference between remaining 2 observations is given, that is x minus 5. X minus y is 13, that is second equation. Here we got x plus y is 45, x minus y is 13. Remaining 2 observations find out cheyali. Then after that it's better to go for verification method. వెరిఫికేషన్ మెథడ్ అండి ఆప్షన్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్కి వెళ్ళండి. ఏ ఆప్షన్ అయితే ఈ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందో దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. సో ఆప్షన్ సి సాటిస్ఫైస్ ద 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ బికాస్ 25 plus 16 45, 29 plus 16 45, 29 minus 16 that is 13. That's why the remaining 2 numbers are 29 and 16. And the seventh one is the mean of 40k, 6k, 4k square, 8k minus 4k square is 20. Then what is the value of k? This is very simple. ఇక్కడ మనం అప్లై చేయాల్సిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. సో అర్థమెటిక్ మీన్ ఈస్ గివెన్ 20. 20 is equal to 40 plus k plus 6k plus 4k square plus 8k minus 4k square divided by number of observations is 5. If you cross multiply this one, then 100 is equal to plus 4k square minus 4k square cancel, and this is 15k plus 40. Then 15k is equal to 60. Then k is 60 by 15, that is 4. So the value of k is 4. So correct option is D. Answer is 4. The next one is measures of dispersion. ఈ మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ డిస్పర్షన్లో 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అడగటం జరిగిందండి. ఇన్ దట్ థర్డ్ క్వార్టైల్ మీన్స్ Q3 value is given 64.5 and the value of Q1 is given 22. సరే ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? క్వార్టైల్ డీవియేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ క్వార్టైల్ డీవియేషన్? క్వార్టైల్ డీవియేషన్ ఫార్ములా ఈస్ Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 is 64.5 minus Q1 is 22 divided by 2. Its value is 21.25. The value of quartile deviation is 21.25. Then correct option is B. The next one, what will be the mean deviation for the numbers 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12 from the mean? The mean deviation about mean calculate cheyali. The formula is summation modulus of x minus x bar divided by n. This is the formula for mean deviation about mean. Here x values are given 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12. సో ఈ డేటాకి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఎక్స్ బార్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఎక్స్ బార్? సమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. Here we got x bar value is 7. After that, modulus of x minus x bar. Modulus of x minus x bar means 5, 3, 0, 1, 2, 5. Next to calculate its total value. Its total is 8, 10, 5, 3, 0, 1, 2, 5. Now its total 8, 10, 15. Its value is 15 divided by number of observations 6. That value we got 2 point. So 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12. First you calculate 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 6. That is correct. 2, 7, 5, 4, 7, 3, 0, 1, 2, 5. Now its total is 16. 16 divided by number of observations 6. 16 divided by that is 2.67. Mean deviation about mean is 2.67. 10, 15, 16. 16 by 7, that is 2.67. Option D is correct. And bit number 10 is the standard deviation is 0 only when all observations assumed by a variable are. When all observations are equal, then only standard deviation is 0. అంటే స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వాల్యూ 0 ఉంది అంటే ఆ డేటాలో అన్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయని. స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ 0 ఉంది అంటే ఆల్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. అన్ని అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ వాల్యూ 0 వస్తుంది. దట్స్ వై ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్. ఆప్షన్ బి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. The next chapter is correlation. In correlation, this problem number 11 based on rank correlation. The formula for rank correlation is 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. But here rank correlation coefficient value is given, that is 75 divided by 99 is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square value is given 40 divided by n into n square minus 1. సరే, ఇక్కడ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సింది n వాల్యూ, దట్ ఈస్ 240 divided by n into n square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 75 by 99. So 99 minus 75, that is 24. So finally if you simplify this one, we get n into n square minus 1 is equal to 990. If n into n square minus 1 is 990 and the value of n is 10. The value of n is 10. That's why correct option is A. Next one, problem number 12. This is Carl Pearson using covariance formula. Carl Pearson using covariance formula is covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Here covariance value is given 4, sigma x is given 10, and correlation coefficient is given 0.4, and standard deviation of y, sigma y value find out cheyali. So that is 0.4 is equal to 4 divided by sigma x is 10 into sigma y. So if you multiply this one, 10 into 0.4, that is 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. The value of sigma y is 1. So option A is correct. Next problem number 13. When two regression coefficients are given, bxy 0.6, byx 0.9, then what is correlation coefficient? Simply, if you multiply these two and apply the root over 0.6 into 0.9. So 0.9 into 0.6 under root, we get 0.73. So the value of correlation coefficient is 0.73. That is option A is correct. The next one, 14th one, for a set of observations on variables x and y, the following summary statistics are given. That is, n is 5, summation x is 10, summation y is 25, summation xy is 70, summation x square 30. A regression equation of y on x is given. What is the value of slope? That means byx find out cheyali. So when we are calculating byx, here we use no deviations are taken. Based on the given data, the appropriate or the suitable formula is no deviations are taken formula. That is n into summation xy 70 minus summation x into summation y 25 divided by n is 5 into summation x square 30 minus summation x whole square means 100. If you simplify this one, numerator is 350 minus 250, 100 divided by denominator is 150 minus 100, 50. 100 by 50, that is 2.0. The value of byx is 2.0. Then option D is correct. The next one, if 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the regression equation of x on y. Okay. Arithmetic mean of y bar is given minus 2. What is the arithmetic mean of x? Simply substitute y bar value or y value in place of y bar value in place of y. Then we get x bar value. That is 2 into x bar plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2x bar is equal to 4 and x bar is equal to 2. The value of x bar is 2. Then option D is correct. After that, the next chapter is index numbers. In index numbers, summation P0 Q0 value is given 400, summation Pn Q0 is given 720 and Pasch's index number is given 125. Then what is Fisher index number? Fisher index number means it is the geometric mean of Laspres and Pasch's index number. First మనం Laspres index number find out చేద్దామండి. That is 720 divided by 400 into 100. So Laspres index number is 180 and Pasch's index number is given 125. So 180 into 125 under root, we get Fisher index number, that is 150. So Fisher index number is 150. Option C is correct. Next, bit number 17. Nominal wage is given 12,500. Cost of living index number is given 250. Then what is the approximate real wage? So the formula for real wage is money wages divided by CLI into 100. Here money wage value is given 12,500 divided by CLI is given 250 into 100. So 12,500 divided by 250 into 100. Then we get real ways rupees 5,000. Option C is correct. Next, bit number 18. A price index number with the base 2000 shows. Index for 2010 is 140. Index for 2020 is 140. What is the index for 2010 when base is shifted to 2020? The formula for base shifting is old price index number divided by price index of the year on which it has to be shifted. That means new price index number into 100. So 140 divided by 210 into 100. So 140 divided by 210 into 100. We get 66.67. So that is new price index number for the year 2010. So 66.67. Option B is correct. Next one, this is theory 1. Which formula correctly represents Fisher's price index? The formula for Fisher price index number is root over last price into Pashes. That's why option A is correct. Next one, the product of price index and quantity index number is equal to value index number. That means P01 into Q01 is equal to P01. This is the condition for factor reversal test. The condition for factor reversal test is the product of price index and quantity index numbers is equal to value index number. So option B is correct. Next chapter, statistical description of data. A statistical description of data. Interview method is used for the collection of primary data. There are 4 methods to collect the primary data. One is interview method. Again, this interview method is classified into 3 types: personal interview, indirect interview, and telephone interview. Actually, interview method is used for the collection of primary data. That's why option B is correct. Option A is correct. Next one, an OZU represents cumulative frequencies on graph, right? But what other name in this graphical form commonly known? The alternative name for OZUs. The alternative name for OZUs is cumulative frequency curve. OZ curves are also known as cumulative frequency curve. That is the alternative name for OZUs. That's why option B is correct. Next one, mutually exclusive classification of a class interval. In mutually exclusive series, excludes the upper class limit but includes the lower class limits. Mutual exclusive series lo UCLs are excluded, LCLs are included. That is a condition, including lower class limit, excluding upper class limits. That's why option B is correct. Next, which one of the following parts is used to show the units of measurements? The units of measurements are shown in box head. Box head means entire upper part of the table. That entire upper part of the table lo, if there in units, that units of measurements are also specified entire upper part of the table. That means box head. So option C is correct. Next one, data that is classified according to attribute. So any statistical data is classified on the basis of attribute. Attribute means qualitative characteristics. Then that classification is qualitative. The data is qualitative data. So option A is correct. Next one are random variables. F of x is given some k into x square. With 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 is the probability density function. Then what is the value of k? We know that integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 1. So integral 0 to 1 k into x square dx is equal to 1. k అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ బయటకు రాస్తున్నామండి. దెన్ రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఎక్స్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఎక్స్. దట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డిఎక్స్ మీన్స్ x cube by 3 over the limits 0 to 1. Then after that apply the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 3 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then k by 3 is equal to 1. That implies k is equal to 3. The value of k is 3. So option B is correct. Next one, theoretical probability distributions. In theoretical probability distribution, mean means mu value is given 13.5 and mean deviation means 0.80 sigma, that value is given 4.8. And from these 4.8 is equal to, when sigma value is equal to 4.8 divided by 0.80, its value is 6. Sigma is 6. సరే ఏం కనుక్కోవాలా? థర్డ్ క్వార్టైల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో నార్మల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ థర్డ్ క్వార్టైల్ Q3 is equal to mu plus 0.675 sigma. That is 13.5 plus 0.675 into 6. So 6 into 0.675 plus 13.5. Its value is 17.55. So option B is correct. Next one, the mean of binomial distribution. Mean means NP, that is 4. Variance means NPQ, that is 3.2. Then find the value of P. Simply substitute this NP value in NPQ. That means 4Q is equal to 3.2. Then Q is equal to 3.2 divided by 4. 3.2 divided by 4. That is 0.8. Sir, if Q is 0.8, then P means 1 minus Q, that is 0.2. The value of P is 0.2. Option A is correct. Next, in a binomial distribution, probability of success is given 0.7. N is given 15. In a binomial distribution, probability of success is 0.7. Variance find out cheyali. Calculate cheyalsindi variance. N value is given 15. The variance of binomial distribution is NPQ. N is given 15 and P is given 0.7. If P is 0.7, then Q is 0.3. Simply multiply 15 into 0.7 into 0.3. That is 3.15. So option B is correct. Next, if the standard deviation of a Poisson distribution is 3, then what is P of x is equal to 0? Standard deviation of Poisson distribution means root lambda, that is 3. If root lambda is 3, then lambda is 9. Then P of x is equal to 0 is equal to e power minus lambda. That means e power minus 9. The value of p of x is equal to 0 is e power minus 9. Then option C is correct. Next one, for a binomial distribution, mean is given 4. That means NP is 4, NPQ is 3. Now substitute this NP value in NPQ. 4Q is 3, then Q is 3 by 4. If Q is 3 by 4, then P is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Now substitute this P value in NP, then we get N value, that is 16. N is 16, P is 0.25. So option A is correct. Next one, to add flexibility of the sampling process, మనకి ఈ 4 sampling మెథడ్స్లో ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ అనేది మల్టీ స్టేజ్ సాంప్లింగ్లో ఉంటుందండి. సో ద ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ది సాంప్లింగ్ అమాంగ్ దీస్ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఈస్ మల్టీ స్టేజ్ సాంప్లింగ్. In sample survey, sampling error mainly arises because option C is correct అండి. Only subset of the population is observed instead of complete census. మనకి కంప్లీట్ సెన్సస్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే బదులు శాంపిల్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు, శాంపిల్ని స్టడీ చేసినప్పుడు దెన్ వి గెట్ శాంపిల్ ఎర్రర్స్ అండి. శాంపిల్ సర్వేలోనే మనకి శాంప్లింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తాయి. మనకి బిట్కి ఏబిడిలో కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ కాదండి, బికాజ్ ఇవి నాన్ శాంప్లింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్. దీస్ 3 ఆర్ నాన్ శాంప్లింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్. దీస్ 3 are happened because of non-sampling errors due to negligence of investigators or due to negligence of respondents. వాళ్ళ నెగ్లిజెన్స్ వల్ల ఈ ఎర్రర్స్ వస్తాయి, వీటిని నాన్ సాంప్లింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్ అంటాం. సో దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ సి ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్. బిట్ నెంబర్ 34, ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఎర్రర్ అండి. స్టాండర్డ్ ఎర్రర్ ఈస్ డిఫైన్డ్ యాజ్ స్టాండర్డ్ డీవియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ స్టాటిస్టిక్. The standard deviation of statistic is known as standard error. The mean of the statistic expectation అంటాము. The standard deviation of statistics ని standard error అంటాం. Option C only correct. 35. A researcher wants to study the effectiveness of a new treatment by surveying the most experienced doctors in a setting. He selects 50 doctors based on their repetition and years of experience. Here the selection process is entirely depends upon the researcher's judgment, because he is selecting on the basis of repetition and years of experience. He is selecting రిపిటేషన్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న డాక్టర్స్ని మాత్రమే వాంటెడ్గా సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అండ్ ద శాంపిల్ సెలెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఎంటైర్లీ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ ది రీసెర్చర్స్ జడ్జ్మెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ దిస్ సాంప్లింగ్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ జడ్జ్మెంట్ సాంప్లింగ్. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ఇది మనకి స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ వి కమ్ టు ది లాజికల్ రీజనింగ్. లాజికల్ రీజనింగ్లో మనకి 4 టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈచ్ టాపిక్ నుంచి 5 బిట్స్ అడగటం జరిగింది, టోటల్ 20. ఈసారి లాజికల్ రీజనింగ్ కూడా విత్ ఇన్ 1 or 2 స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగిందండి. యాక్చువల్గా ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్లో కొంచెం లెందీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాడు, బట్ ఈ అటెంప్ట్లో మాత్రం సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ సిరీస్ తీసుకుంటే ఫైండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద సిరీస్. ఇందులో నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ 11, 12, 14, 17, 22, 30. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఏంటంటే +1, +2, +3, +5, +8. చూడండి, 1 + 2 3, 2 + 3 5, 3 + 5 8, 5 + 8 అంటే ఎంత ఉండాలి? 13. అంటే ద సక్సీడింగ్ టూ నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ 1 వస్తుంది. 1 + 2 3, 2 + 3 5, 3 + 5 8, 5 + 8 13. సో 30 + 13 దట్ ఈస్ 43 అండి. So option B is correct. Next, this one is based on coding and decoding. In a certain language, subject is written as S means 19, U means 21, U is 21, W is 23. Here the pattern is the original place values plus 2 చేయాలి. ఒరిజినల్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ రాసి ప్లస్ 2 చేయాలి. అదే ప్యాటర్న్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ వర్డ్కి అప్లై చేస్తే 13, 5, 14, 20, 9, 15, 14. అంటే ఇక్కడ 13 ప్లస్ 2 15, 15 మీన్స్ O. 5 ప్లస్ 2 7, 7 మీన్స్ G. 14 plus 2 16, 16 means P. 20 plus 2 22, 22 means V. 9 plus 2 11, 11 means K. 15 plus 2 17, 17 means Q. 14 plus 2 16, 16 means P. That's why O, G, P, V, K, Q, P. So correct option is D. O, G, P, V, Q, K, Q, P, right. So correct option D. And next one, find the next term of the series. 7, 8, 18, 57, 232, 1165. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, మనకి ఎప్పుడైతే నెంబర్స్ మధ్యలో ఎక్కువ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుందో in that case it's better to go for multiplicationకి వెళ్ళాలి. The pattern is 7 into 1 plus 1, 8 into 2 plus 2, 18 into 3 plus 3, 57 into 4 plus 4, 232 into 5 plus 5, 1165 plus 6 into 6 plus 6. Next 1165 into 7 plus 7. That is a pattern. So 1165 into 7 plus 7. ikkado mistake ayindi. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5, into 6 plus 6, and here into 6 plus 6. So 1165 into 6 plus 6, that is 6996. Option A is correct. Next one, 39. Doctor is coded as 423527. Patient is coded as 8651905. Then how is operation? ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లోనే మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుందండి. సో ఇక్కడ O means 2, P means 8, E means 9, R means 7, A means 6, T means 5, I means 1, O means 2, N means 0. So 289765,120. Option A is correct. Next, if the word code is coded as 1357, gamer is coded as 24678, what word does the number 84178? Sir, ikkada 8 means R, 4 is A, 1 is C, 7 is E, 8 is R. RACER. Option C is correct. Next one, directions. Directions lo Vishal started from his house towards west. Initial direction is west. After walking a distance of 30 meters, he turns to the right. And he then turns to the left and moved a distance of 10 meters, turns to the left and walks 40 meters. He now turns left and walks 5 meters. Finally, he turns to the left. The shortcut method is same direction unte add cheyali, opposite unte cancel cheyali. So one left, one right cancel. West 3 left, west 3 left. West first left is south, second left is east, third left is north. That's why answer is north. Option A is correct. Next one, Paru started from his house towards west. Initial direction is west. After walking a distance of 25 meters, he turns to the right and walks 10 meters. He again turns to the right. After that, he turns to his right at 135. Sir, west to right. West to right means east. East. Now he is facing east direction. East right 135. East right 90 means south 135 means 90 plus 45. Now finally he is in south west direction. South west. Option C is correct. 43. Anil's house faces east. Anil house faces east initially. From the back side of the house means west direction. Anil house faces east. From the back side of the house means east exact opposite, that is west. He works straight 50 meters. West straight 50 meters. Then he turns to the right 50 meters. And finally he turns to the left and stops after walking 25 meters. This is the final this is the final and this is initial. This initial point, this final point. Which direction is Anil from the starting point? Starting point nunchi Anil prastutam ఏ direction లో ఉన్నాడు? This is north and this is west. North west. Now he is in northwest direction. Northwest direction. Right. Next one. A into B means A is south of B. A plus B means A is north of B. A percentage B means A is the east of B. A minus B means A is west of B. In P percentage Q plus R minus S, in which direction S is with respect to Q? First P percentage means P is east of Q. P is east of Q. P is east of Q. Okay. Now Q plus R. Q plus R means Q is north of R. Q is north of R. R minus S. R minus S means R is west of S. R is west of S. Now which direction S is with respect to Q? Q నుంచి తీసుకుంటే S ఏ direction లో ఉన్నాడు? This is south and this is east. Now S is in southeast direction from Q. S is in southeast direction. Next, Ram started walking 2 kilometers towards sun in the morning. In the morning means sun rises at east. This is initial point. Ram started walking 2 kilometers towards sun. In the morning means east direction. He moves 2 kilometers towards east. He turns to the right and walks 2 kilometers. Then he turns to the right and walks 2 kilometers. Finally, he turns to the left and walks 2 kilometers. ఓకే, లేదా షార్ట్కట్ మెథడ్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఇనిషియల్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈస్ ఈస్ట్, హీ టర్న్స్ టు ద రైట్, అగైన్ రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్. సో one left one right is cancelled. East right, east right means answer is south. Now which direction is he walking now means south direction. Okay, next one. Next concept is blood relations. Blood relations lo A is brother of B. A is brother of B. Next, B is son of P. B is son of P. P is sister of Q. P is sister of Q. How is A related to P? Now A is son. A is son of P. A is son of P. So option B is correct. Now Q's mother is Q's mother is sister of P and daughter of S. Q's mother is sister of P and daughter of S. A is the son of P. A is the son of P. A is the son of P and brother of H. Brother of H. G is father of H. G is father of H. Then how is G related to S? How is G related to S? Then G is son-in-law. G is what? Son-in-law. Because S daughter is P, daughter husband is son-in-law. That's why G is son-in-law of S. So option B is correct. Sharma points to a girl and says, she is the mother of my son's wife daughter. Itanu Sharma sonnu wife daughter. So Sharma points towards a girl, says she is the mother of my son's wife daughter. How is the relation that girl to the son? అంటే ఇప్పుడు శర్మకి ఏమవుతుంది అంటే డాటర్ ఇన్ లా. దట్ గర్ల్ ఈస్ డాటర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ శర్మ. దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ డి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. P is sister of Q. P is sister of Q. R is mother of Q. R is mother of Q. S is father of C. R is sister of S. R is sister of S. T is mother of S. T is mother of S. S is father of C. Okay, how is what is the relation of P with the T? How is the relation of P? T. Then T is P's grandmother. T is P's grandmother. T is the P's grandmother. Then option B is correct. Right, next one. Dr. Madhu said, the engineer who is my brother is the son of the only professor in our family. If the professor is Mr. Murali, how is Murali related to Madhu? So Mr. Madhu said, the engineer who is my brother is the son of అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తామంటే మిస్టర్ మురళి engineer Mr. Madhu. So Mr. Madhu said, the engineer who is the brother of the son of only professor Mr. Murali is professor. Mr. Dr. Madhu and Madhu's brother is engineer. Then how is Mr. Murali related to Dr. Madhu? So the professor Mr. Murali is the father of Dr. Madhu. So option B is correct. Next one, 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F are seated in a bench facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are facing north means this is left and this is right. C is sitting second to the right of F. A is sitting extreme left. A is sitting extreme left. E is sitting second to the right of C. D is sitting immediate left of E. Then who is sitting between F and C? So A is sitting extreme left to, C is sitting second to the right of C is sitting second to the right of F. E is sitting second to the right of C. E is sitting second to the right of C. D is sitting immediate left of E. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఎఫ్ సి డి ఈ అంటే ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఎవరు వస్తారండి? బి. నా హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ ఎఫ్ అండి, ఎఫ్ డికి మిడిల్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారంటే బి. దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ బి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F are seated at a round table facing outside the center. They are facing outside the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outside this, but not necessarily in the same order. A sits immediate right of E. A sits immediate right of E. C sits after 1 person to the right of A. C sits after 1 person to the right of A. B sits between A and F. B sits besides AF. B sits besides A. F sits immediate right of D. F sits immediate right of D. How many persons are sitting between A and D? In between A and D, how many persons are there? Only 2 persons are there. So option B is correct. In a circular arrangement, 5 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 persons are facing center. A is sitting between B and C. A is sitting between B and C. D is sitting immediate right of C. D is sitting immediate right of E is sitting immediate left of B. ఇది అరేంజ్మెంట్ అండి. హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ డి అండ్ బి. హూ ఈజ్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఈ అంటే ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ 5 persons ABCDE are seated on a bench. So 5 persons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are facing north means this is left and this is right. A sits immediate to the left of C. E is immediate left of D and right of A. D is left of B. Which person is sitting in the middle of the persons? A is sitting immediate left of C. A is sitting immediate left of C. E is sitting immediate to the left of D and right of E. And that is the arrangement అవుతుంది. And D sits left of B. కాబట్టి ఏ సి ఈ డి బి. విచ్ పర్సన్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిడిల్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మిడిల్లో ఉన్న పర్సన్ ఎవరంటే ఈ. సో ఆప్షన్ బి ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. 6 friends ABCDEF are seated in a row and they are facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 friends ABCDEF seated in a row and they are facing north. సో ఇది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది, ఇది రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇందులో మనకి డెఫినెట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. దిస్ ఈస్ డెఫినెట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఈ సిట్స్ ఎట్ left end, and C is at right end. C is at right end and is immediate right of A. A and B have two persons between them. A and B have two persons between them. D is the not neighbor of D is not neighbor of B. And ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఎవరు ఏ బి సి డి ఈ ఎఫ్ అండ్ ఈ ప్లేస్లో ఎవరిని తీసుకోవాలంటే ఎఫ్ అనే పర్సన్ తీసుకోవాలి. హూ సిట్స్ థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్. హూ సిట్స్ థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ అంటే ఎఫ్ అండి. సో ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ అండి. ఓకేనండి, రైట్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.